Two giants in the world of life insurance go head-to-head, New York Life and Guardian Life. The question is, who truly has your back? On one side, New York Life, renowned for its legacy and rock-solid reputation. On the other, Guardian Life, trusted for its client focus and innovative policies. Let's move past the slogans and see what really matters to you. We'll break it down by category, awarding points as we go so you can see exactly how each company stacks up. You might be surprised who takes the crown. Here's our little roadmap for today. We're going to compare them on stuff like financial strength, policy options, dividends, disability and living benefits, customer service, and their online experience. It's a lot, but it's actually really interesting when you look at the details. So first up, financial strength. New York Life is basically the big dog here, right? Like AAA ratings all around, Fortune 100 status, and so much history over 175 years, which is wild. But honestly, being so massive can sometimes feel, I don't know, a little impersonal. Now, Guardian Life, they're top-rated too, with A++ from AM Best and a reputation for being super stable and conservative. Their asset base isn't quite as huge as New York Life, but they're definitely rock solid. Bottom line, they're equally strong here, so it's a tie. Now let's talk policy options. New York Life gives you the classics: whole life, term, universal, even variable life. Pretty solid set of living benefits, but some of their riders can feel a bit rigid if that's something that concerns you. Guardian, though, comes out swinging with tons of customizations, especially strong in whole life and disability, and they've got really flexible payment options. Not as many choices for term lengths, but let's be real, the sheer amount of customization kind of wins. Guardian's got the edge here. Dividends are where NYL really flexes, like they're projecting over $2 billion paid out in 2025. That's insane. Plus, they've paid dividends every single year since 1854, which, wow. The only thing is, the percentage isn't always the highest in the industry, but the consistency and sheer size is nuts. Guardian's also super consistent, and sometimes they even offer a higher percentage, which is cool, but their total payout's smaller just because they aren't as big. New York Life takes this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that New York Life has paid dividends to eligible policyholders every single year since 1854? That's literally over a century and a half. Not many companies can say that. All right, on to disability and living benefits. New York Life does a pretty good job with living benefit riders, like it's solid, but disability insurance, not really their specialty. Guardian, though, this is totally their thing. They've got some of the best, most customizable individual disability policies you can get. Yeah, it's a separate add-on and might cost more, but if that's your priority, Guardian's a no-brainer. They win here. Customer service? Okay, so New York Life has agents everywhere. You name a town, they're probably there. Retention rates are high, but their online stuff feels a little dated. Guardian's smaller, so you might get a bit more of that personalized touch, and they're super policyholder focused. Fewer physical locations, but that might not matter if you love dealing with folks who actually remember your name. This one's a draw. Alright, online experience. Honestly, New York Life is kinda, well, basic. The portal covers the essentials, but if you're used to slick apps, you might be a bit underwhelmed. Guardian, on the flip side, is actually pretty modern here. Their digital tools for managing policies are way better, and the portal feels more up-to-date even if some new features are still rolling out. This is an easy win for Guardian. So, if you stack up all these categories, financial strength, policy choices, dividends, disability benefits, customer service, and digital experience, you can really see where each shines and where there's room to grow. If you're in this for consistent, long-term growth and a track record that's basically unmatched, New York Life is going to be your best bet. But if you want max flexibility, great digital tools, or seriously top-notch disability coverage, Guardian leaves a lasting impression. If you found this helpful, stick around, there's more insurance deep dives coming up soon. Stay tuned for even more ways to get smarter about your policy choices.